In order for us to change this string right here, so when we publish a message, which is our custom class, we have to change a few things. So one is, if I change this to message in here, and let's just try and run this, you should see that this actually, it's kind of working and is, going through all the messages, which is 100, but it's failing. And if I stop this and then scroll to the top, you'll see that we have this message in here. So illegal argument exception. And it says, so if I scroll here, the class com.amigos code, it's not in the trusted package, and then java.util or java lang. If you believe this class is safe to deserialize, please provide its name. If serialization is only done by a trusted source, enable trust all and then star, right? So what we need to do is, if I collapse this, and within our consumer config, so within consumer config in here, so Kafka consumer config, so at this point here, so where we use the JSON deserializer, let's extract this to a variable, and I'm going to say deserializer or JSON deserializer, and here we need to customize this. So here, based on the message that it just told us, I can say json.deserializer dot and then add trusted packages. So here you can actually add a custom package. So here I can say com.amigos code, which is my package currently. So here com.amigos code. So anything within this package, I do trust. So I could do that, or I can say star. So if I show you again the message, so it's only done by a trusted source. You can also enable trust all, which is this guy right here. So in my case, let me just stick with com.amigos code. And now if we run this, there we go. You can see that it did work. And at this point, have a look. So message, and then this is the message in here, and then created that, and have a look. So this is kind of cool. So we actually done it. So if I go back to the listener here, I can say message dot and then get the individual fields. So message maybe, and you can basically say to uppercase or lowercase, so on and so forth. But at this point, you can see that it's using the toString to basically print out the message, and we successfully managed to change our producer from producing a string as the value to a custom object. Now, obviously, if you want to have other objects, you basically just have, so in here, you have a bunch of these consumer factories based on the object that you want, or there are other ways that you can basically customize it further so that you don't have to repeat code again and again and again. But hopefully this explains the overall process, and I think that we are done. If you have any questions, drop me a message. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.